The Adamic sons of God knew the tiger as a killer among beasts. The name for tiger was Hu. Most of the people on the earth today are crossbreed descendants of the true Adamic sons of God as originally created, and the animal race of Eve, Lilith. That is why you have an earthly, dense animal body and an inner body of created reality as God made you. The truly created men and women of the Adamic race of man have been watching the people on the earth for thousands of years. This civilization, Siva, like Shiva, the Hindu god of destruction, of humans, has expanded the science of destruction to the point of crisis. The nations having atomic bombs have enough to wipe out all living things on the earth. The animal of Eve, the animals of Lilith are in power. The Luciferian cabal are seeking to destroy as many as they can as they are on their way out of power. However, the Adamic race of man has brought nullifier ships into the earth's thin film of breathable atmosphere. We call them green fireballs. And they have nullified concentrations of atomic radiation that were in our atmosphere. They feel responsible for the fact that one of their people started this destructive cycle on the earth. Dear viewer, you have a choice to make. You either accept the Creator's Adamic constructive, creative part of you, your living eternal light body, or you recognize the physical human's destructive influence of the Eve ancestry. The equation is a little more complex, but you must understand that it comes down to fear and love. The false construct of your ego or your eternal heart-mind coherence, your inner light. That is your choice that you must make, because we walk amongst you, omnipotent and invincible, and enforcing universal law here in this dimension. Narcissism and selfishness, self-centeredness will worsen. As the sun fully awakens and sings its tune, and the ego construct is fully dismantled, those who do not have a connection to the inner divine will be lost. And they will continue to be lost, and they will continue to devolve. The ego's your false self, your artificially intelligent, concocted self that social media has helped create, will be dissolved, especially in men and males. Males will be forced to rebuild better mental health, or they will fall victim to their inner demons. There is a new breed of spiritual warriors of the Adamic race of man. They are here among us now. They are walking among us now, invincible and omnipotent. Earth is in the ascension process, guaranteed by Prime Creator, by the Divine Grid Programmer, in all aspects thereof. And the will of God will not and cannot be compromised nor lessened. Only compliance is your option, or you will meet dissolution. You will now begin to see widespread, in reality, the removal of any nefarious entity and notion towards the divine plan. The divine ground crew on earth are given the go-ahead to physically effect more of the planetary ascension and to further expose and remove nefarious obstacles, which includes individual entities that are not children of God. The The prime directive is in full force. Get in where you fit in and raise the banner of Adi Shakti. We're going full force, folks. Hit the subscribe button and leave this video a thumbs up, as it indicates to the algorithm that you are of the Adamic race of man, and we have come to bring the light to this realm. Namaste, Namaskaram.